Steve from All Star Case Breaks doing a Contenders draft pick. A baseball for Tom. Traffic is not bad. The weather is good except for September, August, early September. I mean, July, August, September. It's too warm. Tom, good luck. Cody Hose, 13 of 15. It is humid.
Like a rainforest.
If you're in the south, it's going to be humid. 23 of 23. Oh, that's pretty. Cracked ice. Davis Wenzel. And we're right on the Tennessee River, so not that that matters that much. Dre Jameson, 53 of 99.
Yeah, I think so. I am.
Good luck, man. RPS draft pick at variation. Card 10, Cameron Misner.
Aha. The box. Mystery box. Oh, yes.
Hey, William. Man, any of the boxes on screen,
You know,
plus all the stuff in our
after
store.
you guys put this up, I had somebody come in wanting to buy it. I'll go here first.
Riley Greene, there you go, 21 of 23. School colors. Cracked ice, nice.
Did you guys want to do like a part or?
Yeah, William, it's allstarcasebreaks.com. Give me just a minute. Kevin Alcantara, international ticket.
Don't play with the plus.
Alec Manoa, 79 of 99 draft ticket. TJ Sakima. Hey, thanks, Tom.
I'm working on it.
I'll put these with your others.
Man, I've got go through box after box after box every day. I mean, do you want like more Bowman's best rookies and stuff? I mean, because I think I found like 4 or 5 more of them.
No, I'll post it. Give me just a minute. Thanks, Tom.
I need a